Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna go ahead and talk about using methods and objects together, okay? So first we need to create a Java project. So in order to create a Java project, we need to click on this file, new, and then click on Java project, okay? So for the project name, just type in here objects and methods. So as you can see here, our project is now created. So first we need a class for our project. So just click on this src folder, or you can click on this objects and methods project and then click on file, new, and click on class. So here for the class name, just type in here main, and for the package name, we need a reverse domain here. So I typed in here com.myname.project, choose public, and here make sure that you check this checkbox here that says public static void main method, okay? And then click on finish. So as you can see here, our class is now created. So first let me actually delete this comment here. And then in order to make this editor area wider, I just need to double click on this main.java tab here. So as you can see here, our editor area is now much wider, and then we can actually write our codes in this method, okay, in this main method. So this main method is the starting point for actually running our Java codes, okay? Okay, so first of all, I want to create a lion object, okay? So in order to create a lion object, I need to have a blueprint in order to show me exactly how to create a lion object, okay? So in Java, in order to have a blueprint for showing us how to create an object, we need to create a class, okay? So a class is like a blueprint in Java, okay? So let's first create a class called lion, okay? So in order to create a class, we just need to click on this package here, okay? And then we need to click on file, new, and then click on class. So for the class name, just type in here lion, and as you can see here, it's gonna actually put our class inside this package, okay? So that's why we actually clicked on this package and then we started to create a class, okay? So for the modifiers, choose public and then click on finish. So as you can see here, our class is now created. Okay, now we need to actually put some instructions inside this class in order to actually show us how to create lion objects, okay? So as you can see here, now that our lion class is created, we have a blueprint, okay? But there are no instructions in this blueprint in order to show us exactly what are the characteristics and behaviors of a lion, okay? So now we can put some instructions inside this blueprint. So first I want to put the characteristics of a lion inside this class, okay? So the characteristics of a lion are, for example, int, speed, and then I can assign a value to this variable, for example, number 90, okay? Int power, for example, 100, okay? So these are the characteristics of a lion, okay? Now I want to specify the behaviors of a lion. So for example, the behaviors of a lion are, for example, a lion roars, okay? So in order to show the behaviors of an object, we need to create methods. So in order to show how my lion roars, we need to create a method. So I just need to type in here void, and the name of my method is roar, okay? And then I need to put in a pair of round brackets after my method name, and then I need to open and close my method by using an opening curly brace followed by a closing curly brace, okay? And then inside this method I can put in my statements. So now I want to show how my lion roars. So I just need to type in here system.out.println, and then inside the parentheses I put in 2 double quotes, and then inside the double quotes I just write roar, and then at the end of my statement I need to put in a semicolon. So this is how my lion roars, okay? Or for example, a lion runs, okay? So I just need to type in here void run, and then I need to put in a pair of round brackets after my method name, and then I need to open and close my method by using an opening curly brace followed by a closing curly brace, and then inside the method I can put my statements. So I just type in here system dot out dot println, and then inside the parentheses I can just put in 2 double quotes, and here I write run. So this is how my lion runs, okay? Or for example, my lion fights, okay? So I just need to type in here void fight, and then I need to put in a pair of round brackets, and then I need to open and close my method, and then inside this method I can just put in my statements. So I just type in here system dot out dot println, and then inside the parentheses I put in 2 double quotes, and then inside the double quotes I write fight. So this is how my lion fights, okay? Or for example, my lion sleeps. So again, I can just type in here void. So as you can see here, the return type of my method is void. My method is going to return nothing, okay? It's just gonna actually do something, okay? And the name of my method is sleep. And then I need to put in a pair of round brackets after the method name. And then I need to open and close my method by using these curly braces, as you can see here. And then inside this method, I can put in my statements. So I just type in here system dot out dot println, and then inside the parentheses, I can just put in 2 double quotes. And then inside the double quotes, I just write sleep. So this is how my lion sleeps, okay? So now that my blueprint is ready, we can actually create lion objects from this class, okay? So inside the main class, and then inside the main method, I can create a lion object. So first of all, I need to refer to the name of my class, lion, okay? And the name of my object is my lion, and then I need to put in an assignment operator here, and then I put in this keyword new, okay? And then again I need to refer to the name of my class, and then I need to put in a pair of round brackets after my class name, okay? And then I need to put a semicolon at the end of my statement. So as you can see here, first of all, I referred to the name of my class lion, and I gave my object a name, okay? And then I put an assignment operator here, and then I put this keyword here, new, okay? So here we are actually telling the computer that we are going to actually create a new object from this lion class, okay? So that's the job of this new keyword here. And then we are actually telling that we are going to create a new object from this class, okay? So first of all, we are actually referring to the name of our class, and then we are actually giving our object a name, and then we use this assignment operator, and then we are actually instantiating our object, okay? We are actually creating a new object from this class. So as you can see here, our object is now created inside the memory. So now in order to show you how my object is created and what is the address of my object inside the memory, I just need to type in here system dot out dot println, and then inside the parentheses I can just refer to the name of my object, my lion, and then at the end of my statement I need to put in a semicolon. So now if I run my project, as you can see, this is the address of my lion object inside the memory, okay? This is just a way to show you that our object is actually created inside the memory, okay? And this is the address of this my lion object inside the memory, okay?